when you remove the wheel of the car, if there is a lot of dirt inside, just drop it like this to try to evacuate most of the dirt. When you inspect the wheel, look inside, you see those wheels get a lot of wear from the wheel scrapers, and we want to make sure there's no major dents or things that are going to cause a leak. So that's one of the things to inspect. We don't want too much dirt between the bead and the rim that could also cause a slow leak. So here it's clean. Usually it's more on the outside that we can get gravels that get stuck. If there's any doubt, talk to the driver to inspect the tire and see if he wants to keep that or put a spare on. Inspect the fender liners for damage and make sure they are still properly secure to the front so that they don't get under the bumper and then slide under the wheel and get peeled off. So inspect for damage all around. If you don't have time to replace the fender liner, make sure there is HPD protection around the wiring harness. We don't go back without protection under the wiring harness. We have to check that we have the 4 mud flaps. Sometimes the screws get a bit loose here. If a mud flap is missing, we have spares in the trailer. Same thing in the rear. We just have those 3 little... It's plastic inserts, so don't go too hard on them. Just put the wheel back on. Gravel tires, we run 30 psi hot. So even if the pressure is at 28 and it's cold, you don't have to put them back on at 30 psi because they are going to get back to that pressure as soon as they get to 10. We want to make sure we catch slow leaks, so as soon as the pressure drops below 25, we need to put more air. If it consistently keeps to go down, we change the tire. If we are running snow tires, we run stock pressures, which is 36 in the front, 30 in the rear. Gravel, we run 30 front and rear. Okay, if you are using the electronic torque wrench to torque, to turn it on, there is a C button here. You stay pressed on it for 2 seconds, 2 or 3 seconds, it will turn on. Then to set the torque, you press set, and you can go up and down. It's fine. We are do the torque at 80. I press set. So now the torque is set. I just have to put my 70 mil. As soon as the torque wrench beeps, you can probably see the screen. It's turned red. It means it has reached the torque. That's all there is to it.